What is up, guys? This is Alex, just Alex, and this is something happened to our car the other last week. Let me show you. So everything good right here, but look, I'm running the donut. Hate the way this thing look. And let me show you the damage. So here's the wheel, and look. Boom. Is it fixable? That thing looks like a solid 3/8 of an inch thick rod right there, almost on the sidewall. Let me know what you guys think. Sad thing is that I had all four of the same tires in this car, and to be able to find the same one, they are either super expensive or no longer available. But since I know how to deal with this type of thing, so at least I try, I went on eBay and I found the exact same one, used, maybe in a little bit of a better condition than mine. Mine only has like 10,000 miles, 12,000 miles, something like that. And the tread pattern is pretty darn good. So all I gotta do now is take it to the tire shop and get it installed. But what do you guys think? Is that thing fixable? At least not in the US that I know of. I know I can get this fixed in another country like Mexico, for example, because I have done that before. They don't just patch it, they vulcanize it. But I haven't seen anybody who does that over here in the States. So I'm gonna have to actually install a tire in there. I didn't want to buy a different one because I don't want to keep the same set and then just replace it when time comes. And that's it. Let me know what you've done in this type of scenario, if this has ever happened to you. Other than that, the thing is, like I said, these are really good shape, the ones that the car has, but they're not exactly new. And if I was to put a new one in there, then the tread will not be matching and blah blah blah. So I just wanted to and like I said, they actually doubled in price. So I was able to find this on eBay for a really decent price, like $60 with shipping and everything, and arrived in like 3-4 days. So I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna take it to the tire shop and get it replaced. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, turn the notification bell on. If you haven't seen my other channel, MTV Alex, check it out. I'll leave a link for you. Where is it? Right here. So check it out, and that's it for this one, and I'll see you on the next one. We're gonna be doing a little bit of car stuff, DIY stuff in this channel, so check it out. That's right. See you next one. Goodbye.